Stuck in traffic, bruh. Oh man, they called me last night and told me my black Porsche is ready. So after lunch, or what would be my lunch break, I should say, we're gonna buzz down and pick up the black car. Hopefully it's all fixed. Sadly, it took way too long, but it didn't take too long as far as messing up my whole plans for the summer, because you know, we went to my dad's house. I did get his car out of the garage. He said I can store my car there. My car is fixed. We're going to drive it around for a couple days, and then we're going to make arrangements to put that car in California so we can have, well, it's going to be the end of the summer now. My gosh, I wasn't even thinking about that, but oh, so excited. Hopefully the car's in good condition. I hate it when I have to leave my car there last time. So I got my turbo back, and it's fixed. It drives good. Sped a little bit up the highway, which is awesome. And then so I need to do a little car shuffle, and I need to sell my Honda Fit, or I want to sell my Honda Fit because I'm low on money and I want to spend money on my trip coming up. And the battery's dead. And of course, now it's starting to rain. You just gotta laugh at some things, right? Can you see that that is like the smallest little battery ever? Like, look at it compared to my hand. And see how easy I am able to lift it up. It's not even a 20-pound battery. All right, let me find my charging stuff. So rotation, this one's now spun around on this side of the garage. And I have to figure out the scooters. The batteries, either A, wasn't dead, or charging, because it says it's charging. Yeah, 75%. So I don't know what that means, but oh well, I'll have to get the black one in here. And then, I don't know, figure something out. I'm really liking those little easy to use battery charger minder things. I do need a battery jump box. And no, I never cleaned my garage more than getting everything off the floor that one time. So there's that. Even though they're both 991.1 generations, there's a good deal of differences in them. PDLS headlight versus regular halogen headlight. Center radiator, no center radiator. Headlight washer nozzle. No headlight washer nozzle. I don't like that. It's better to not have it. I don't know. Super excited to have it back so I can start making more videos with it. Because I bought it to make videos, but we're so late in the summer, I'm going to be shipping this thing off soon. So. And oh yeah, we should check on that battery. Yeah. Taking the little boy to school, and the Macan is always cozy, comfortable. And I got my black car back. Drove it a little bit in the rain, didn't film it. Car's freaking scary fast. Struggles with traction. Definitely the tires that are on the car must be a little old, because I remembered Michelin 4S is getting a little more traction in the rain than that. But I didn't film it, so you'll just have to take my word for it.